Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Shobtik, and today's drawing is of someone who is regarded as the football god, the prince of football, and many such names. This is Diego Maradona. 2 days later, when we have already heard this sad news of him passing away at the age of 60. What I was thinking was all about his playing career while drawing this piece. I could remember the 1986 World Cup, even though I was not born then, but I've heard stories and have also watched the highlights of the Hand of God goal, and then just 4 minutes later, he could score the goal of the decade or the century, I think. That's what it is regarded as. So it's an irony that one goal so controversial and the same day, same match, same team, just 4 minutes apart, he scores the best goal of the century. That was Diego Maradona for all of you. Argentina has declared a 3 day of mourning. Definitely they have lost someone who was an idol to the people we idolize now, because from Messi to Ronaldo Nazario to everyone has always mentioned Maradona uh, as their idol. I was recently watching one interview of Ronaldinho. Even he said that I'm not sure what I would talk about you, Maradona, but you have been an inspiration, a reason that he himself had started playing football, and Maradona had completely changed the way football was played at a certain time. So I'm no one to talk too much about Maradona, because football as an art, I would say Maradona was the greatest artist. So I'm nobody. I cannot even play football, so all I can do is watch it, enjoy it. So I think he was the biggest entertainer. Even in one interview, Maradona himself had said that he loved his life. He would love to become another Maradona once he takes a rebirth, because he was very happy with his life. He was able to entertain the people, the audience, and that was the biggest achievement that he felt. So Maradona, uh, me being an Indian, you might ask that why are you talking too much about football and what do you know about Diego Maradona? Because cricket is the most important game in your part of the world. But that's truth. That is definitely truth. But the part that exactly, precisely I live in, that is Kolkata in India, if you search, then we have one of the oldest derbies, that is the East Bengal versus Mohun Bagan derby. So we are rich with football culture. We love the game, and fortunately, and to a surprise to many who are listening to me, is that cricket in this city is not still the most important game. Even now, definitely cricket is played all from kids to adults, but football still has got a huge part. I would say that's just beside cricket as the most favorite games. So what happens is that in football, if you know football, if you are a fan of football, you cannot just deny Maradona. Maradona was something to football which we cannot compare with anybody. Even cricketers like Sachin Tendulkar has also mentioned multiple times that he was a fan of Maradona. And Maradona, the person, there are many people who would be not that much of a fan of his because of his personal life, his drug abuse cases, and things that were not much about football. But still, if you go for the professional life, the way he played football, the way he brought Napoli in the Italian league and played so well for them. Not only that, but as I said in the starting of the video, 1986 World Cup, he was one of the best, I would say, because there is Messi. Multiple people would be saying that Messi is much more of a elegant footballer. Surely he might be. I'm not sure. I'm not a good judge. I cannot judge. I should not judge. But still, Maradona is someone who inspired Messi. So the people, as I said, the footballers, the players that we admire, they have got the thought of even the very idea of playing football from this person. So Maradona is definitely the god of football, or the prince of football, whatever you want to say. I definitely miss him. I loved his playing style. I saw his videos and they were phenomenal is just another word. I definitely have no adjective to describe Maradona. I am in the 5-6 minutes into the video, but I'm still not sure what I should talk about Maradona, because he was such a personality, such a great footballer. We as football fans are, I don't know, we have to mourn his death. Thanks to this situation, 2020 has brought us, we have lost so many famous personalities, so many people that we love to watch. I think this year definitely would always remain as a dark side of the time. So Maradona, we are here, the football fans are there, till football is there. I would say that it's you who brought the game in a new light. The way you played, the different style of the game, how you cleared the defenses, how you loved football, how you loved especially the national football team of yours. That was something which was much to learn from you. So it was a great time that we lived at a moment, at some part of our life that you were alive, that at least we could see your videos, your playing days, and they were phenomenal, as I said. So we would definitely miss you. Hope you have reached heavens and you can rest in peace now. But definitely until the end of the time, when football stays, the last ball that is kicked, the name Diego Armando Maradona would still prevail. So thanks for everything, Maradona. Just rest in peace. As I'm sorry if you had felt that this video was on a sad side, because definitely the loss of Maradona was not something that I could deal with much. So I wanted to make a sketch and bring out my ideas, my thoughts into the drawing and give kind of a tribute to him. So this is a tribute drawing to Maradona. If you have liked it, then please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel and you are new, then you can just subscribe it, because I bring out new videos every week, and that's completely about drawing. You can ask me questions in the comment section. I would love to know your thoughts, and if you have suggestions for the channel, you can just comment below. I would love to reply to you, and we can have a chat over Instagram. So you can follow me on Instagram and you can DM me there. So see you in the next video. Till then, just enjoy the rest part of the video. Bye.